Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you all? Dear student, hope you all are well. I am your SST teacher. For class 5 for IVS from IVS school. Kindly check your speaker that you are hearing me properly and listen my instructions carefully. Keep your textbook along with you to note down important points. If you have any questions, you can ask me at the end of the class by raising your hand. Okay. Before starting the class, I just want to share some instructions that you will have to follow during the class. Okay. Listen the teacher carefully. Listen the teacher quietly and carefully during the teaching. Don't unmute yourself and note down the query on a separate page and ask at the end of the lesson. Don't raise hand during teaching. Ask questions at the end of the teaching in the class, in the chat box. Use hand free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of computer time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the class teaching, try to rejoin again within the 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, don't turn on video during teaching. These are the instructions that you will have to follow during the class. Okay, now I'm going to start my topic today. Today is the chapter 4. The topic is services. It is present in your book, page number 14. Chapter name is chapter number 4 and chapter name is services. Now I'm going to start this lesson. Before starting the lesson, I have some objectives that you, by the end of the unit, the student will be able to define the terms of service and organizations, aware about different types of the organizations, explain government and non-government organization, differentiate between occupations and professions. Okay, these are the objectives. This is the page that is present in your book, page number 14, 15. Before starting the unit, I just want to share the definition of the service. What is the definition of the service? Now I'm going to share with you. The action of the helping or doing work for someone. The action of helping or doing work for someone. Millions are involved in voluntary service like Abdul Sattar Eidi Foundations, etc. We know it very well. Nowadays, different type of the organization that are running all around the country, all around the world. In Pakistan, famous foundation Abdul Sattar Eidi, and voluntarily they are working, and other foundations that they are also working existed in the Pakistan. Okay. Or another definition is a system supplying a public needs such as transport, communications. We know it very well. We have different type of transportation services, communication services like PTCL and other services, or utilities services such as electricity and water, a regular bus service. These are all called the services provided organizations. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you the definition of occupation. What is the definition of occupation? Now I'm going to share with you. Okay. Okay. Define a full service. Okay. Now occupation commonly refers to occupation or job. One's role in the society, often a regular activity performed for payment. Occupation, protest, political demonstrations by holding public or symbolic spaces. Military occupations, the martial control of the territory, occupancy, use of a building. Now I'm going to explain further. This topic is occupation commonly refers to occupation or a job. We know it very well. Often a regular activity performed for the payment, occupation, protest, political demonstration, holding a public or symbolic spaces. Now I'm going to share with you. Now I'm going to share with you the pictures. What are the pictures of the occupations? Okay, these are the pictures that belongs to the different type of the occupations. This is the cameraman, this is detective, journalist, housewife, salesman, librarian, diver, pirate. I'm repeating again: cameraman, detective, journalist, housewife, salesman, librarian, diver, and pirate. Okay. Now, before starting the another topic, that is definition is profession. A definition of profession is: a profession is a job at which someone work. A profession is a job at which someone works and for which they are. A profession is a job at which someone works and for which they have had training. It is what they do to get money or a living. People often study for years to do their job. Sometimes profession only means learned professions, but sometimes the word may also be used for others' jobs. Now I'm going to share you with pictures, different type of the professions pictures. These are the some pictures that are belongs to the different type of the professions. First is belong to the banker, second is a teacher, third is a doctor, a chef, and a policeman. Now, I'm going to share with you. These are the some services that are the government organization and some are the non-government organization. I'm going to share with you again. These are the services. Now I'm going to categorize them. Some are the government organization and some are the non-government organization. We can also say the private sector and private uh, organization that are working in Pakistan and all over the world. Okay, now I'm going to share the categorize. I'm categorize all of the organization in government organization and non-government organizations. Okay, these are the some examples. First of all, government organization. In the category of government organization, municipal organization. Second is post office. Third is police. Fourth is Supreme Court. Fifth is State Bank. And these are the some non-government organization. Okay, Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. We know it very well at the abbreviation from the abbreviation of PTCL. Karachi Electricity. Now we are familiar with KE, which is the short form. Steel Mill, shopping malls, PIA, Pakistan International Airline. I'm going to repeat again. These are the some government organization and these are the non-government organizations. Municipal organizations, post office, police, Supreme Court, State Bank, Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, Karachi Electricity, Steel Mills, shopping malls, PIA, Pakistan International Airline. Okay. Now I'm going to share you in detail services organization that is present in your book page number 14. Okay. Topic is services. It is present in your book page number 14. Now book page number 14. These are the some organization that is present in your book page number 14 to 15. Okay, this is the reading pages and other further pages are present 16, 17 and 18 are the for activity. Okay, now first pictures is belong to the municipal organization. Second is police service. Third is post office. As you can see clearly from the pictures, these are the pictures from the services organizations. Bank service, hospital, and this is fire brigade. Okay, I'm going to explain you first of all municipal organization. Do you have any idea about the municipal organization? We have already learned about that in class 4, but I'm going to share with you in detail right now. Municipal organization. Municipal services or city services refers to basic services that residents of a city expect the city of local taxation based on property value and central government grants in the main means of funding core services. Okay, Municipal services or city services refers to the basic service that residents. What is the meaning of the resident? That people are living in such type of the area is called the resident of those and such type of the area. Okay. A city expect the city of the local taxation. Taxation, we know it very well. We are paying some such type of the utility and some type of the taxes is called the taxation base and property value and central government grants in the main means of funding or core service. Now, I'm going to explain you in detail like municipal organization in a city help us to keep the city clean. They take care of the sewage and garbage. Okay. They make roads for us and lay the pipelines for sewage and water. They also help us to beautify our city. Each country is divided into the municipal corporation, which can be one of four types: city, boroughs, townships, and incorporated. A municipality is usually a single administrative division having cooperative status both for a city or towns, which is organized for self-government under a municipal corporation. Municipal service or city service refers to basic services. Okay. Now I'm going to share you further next slide that is belong to the hospital services. Do you have any idea about the hospital services? The different type of the hospitals provide different type of the facilities to facilitate and to treat their patients, to cure their patients. These all type of the things are included in the services of the hospitals. No, now I'm going to share you with you the explanation of hospital. A hospital service may be defined as a facilities and utilities offered by hospitals in the form of medical and surgical assistance, laboratory and pharmaceutical provisions, staff and specialist, advanced equipment, etc. We know it very well. A single hospital cannot be exist and cannot be work with these type of the facilities and with such type of the facilities. Okay. In short, hospital services include anything and everything that hospital offer to their recipient. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to explain further. A hospital is a place where sick or injured people are taken. We know it very well. Whenever we are sick, whenever we are injured, we will have to go to the hospital. Okay, for cure us different type of the sickness. Okay, in a hospital, there are doctor and nurses who help the sick by giving them medicines to recover their illness. Okay, from their illness, a hospital should always be kept clean to that the germs and disease do not spread around. Okay, now I'm going to share you with you that is post office. This is the post office. What is the meaning of the post office? What are the services of the post office? I'm going to share with you. A post office is a public facility that provides mail services, including accepting of letters and parcels, postage, stamps, packaging, and stationery. The chief administrator of a post office is providing post office boxes and selling called a postmaster. Okay. Nowadays, now I'm going to share you from your book. The post office is also a service provider. It is a government organization. Post office is a government organization. We have another different type of the other private sector organization that they are working in this area in such type of the service like DHL, TCS. These are and lepers. These are the courier services. They are also exist in Pakistan. Okay, it carries mail from one city to another, from one country to another. We can also send money and parcels through the post office. The post is sent through rail and air transport. A postman then delivered the post to us. Now, some private courier service have also started in Pakistan, which have made this system more efficient and organized. Okay, now I'm going to share with you Now I'm going to share with you post office. The topic is service. The chapter name is services. It is chapter number 4. It is present in your book page number 14. Okay. Police services. What are the police services? Now I'm going to share with you. Police body of officers representing the civil authority of government. Police typically are responsible for maintaining public order and safety, enforcing the law, and preventing, detecting, and investigating criminal activities. We have an idea about it. We have different type of the criminal activities around us, like snatching and other things. So these type of the cases are tackled by the police. These functions are known as policing. Okay. In every city, there is a police service. This service is provided for the people by the government. The job of the police is to provide security to the people. The main job of the police is to provide the security of the people of the country and city and vicinity, you can say. They arrest the people who break the law. Most of the people, they are breaking the law, not only in the they are snatching the such type of the thing, they are also breaking the law in on the roads. They are breaking the such type of the rules of the traffic. In every city, there are a number of the police stations located at different points for the safety of the people. Okay, now I'm going to share with you a fire department. What is the services of the fire department? I'm going to share with you. These are the some services of fire department. Do you have any idea when we call the fire department? What is the services of the fire department? I'm going to share with you in detail. Okay, a fire department or fire brigade, known as a fire authority or fire service, is an organization that provides firefighting services. Fire departments are most commonly a public sector organization that operate within a municipality, country, state, nation, or a special district. Okay. A fire department is also one of the very essential service. Okay. As far as safety of the citizen is concerned, wherever fire breaks out, the fire brigade is called. The firemen, who are trained professionals, work hard to extinguish the fire. They also rescue people who are trapped inside a house or a building and give them first aid. Okay. Now, this is the bank service. What are the main services of bank that they are providing us? To keep our money safe. The main functioning of the bank is to keep our money safe, because nowadays it is not safe that we are keeping the money at our homes. Okay. Now, banking is defined as the business activity of accepting and safeguarding money owned by other individuals and entities, and then lending out this money in order to conduct economic activities such as making profit or simply covering operating expenses. Investment banks gear their service toward corporate clients. Bank also provide us with service. It is not safe to keep a large amount of money at home or in the banks. Banks are the places where people keep their money for the sake of the safety, and also a saving. People save money so that they can use it later when there is a need. And bank also provide us such type of the you can say different type of the ATM and credit card, the credibility to provide us such type of the facility. They are facilitate 24 hours us. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you, before starting the home task. It is in detail. You just keep in your mind, you just take the screenshot all of these things, because I have explained in detail each and every exercise of your book. It is started from page number 16, 17 and 18. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you the home tasks. Be careful about your home tasks, okay? Before starting the home tasks, I just want to share with you, we have shared with you the services organization, different type of the service organization and occupation and professions differentiate. Okay, now I'm going to share with you home tasks. What are the home tasks? Just keep in mind and take the screenshot of each slide because I'm going to explain you in detail each and everything. That's why I'm starting this thing earlier. Okay, now this is the home tasks homework. Before starting the home tasks, you just keep in your mind how you will maintain your title page of the unit. Unit number 4, as you know it very well, it is present in your book number 14, page number 14, and the unit number according to your book is 4. Okay, title of the unit is services. Starting date, what is the date of today? 18th of June 2021, and the ending date, put the ending date, whatever so and so, put the ending date. Okay, now I'm going to share with you outline of the lesson. How you will manage your outline of the lesson. We know it very well. We have different categories of the questions like short question answers, descriptive question answers, activity based question answers, challenging question answers, and note down. Okay, the note is quantity of the questions should be mentioned according to the lesson. Okay, I'm going to share with you the questions that is present in your book page number 16. These are the questions that is present in your book page number 16. I just want to share with you these questions. After that, I just explain these questions along with the answers. Okay, first question is what, uh, keep in your mind, take the screenshot of these slides. Okay, what do people in the services organization do? This is the question 1. Why is municipal organization necessary for a city? This is your question number 2. Now, question number 3 is, who are the doctors and nurses? Where do they work and what do they provide us? Now, question number 4 is, in case of a fire, which organizations is called and what do they do? Question number 5 is, do you think schools are service organization? What do schools do? These are the questions that is present in your book page number 16. Now I'm going to explain you each question along with the question. You just take the screenshot of each slides. Okay. Now, question number 1 is, what do people in the services organization do? Girls, I'm repeating again my words. Take the screenshot of each slide because I'm providing you the answers along with the question. Okay. People in service organization help us to make our lives easy. For example, municipal organization corporations help us to keep our city clean. In the hospital, there are the doctors and nurses who helps the sick by giving them the services to recover from their illness. It is question number 1. Okay, take the screenshot. Have you taken? I'm going to start question number 2. This is, why is municipal organization necessary for a city? Municipal organization of a city help Municipal organization of a city help keep the city clean. They take care of the sewage and garbage. They make roads for us and lay the pipelines for sewage and water. They also help us to beautify our city. It is question number 2 answer. Now, question number 3 answer is, who are the doctors and nurses? Where do they work and what do they provide us? Doctors and nurses. This is question number 3. It is present in your book and I'm going to provide you the answer of this one question. Okay, take the screenshot. Doctors and nurses are trained people who help the sick and injured by giving them medicines and other treatments to recover from their illness. Have you taken the screenshot? Now, question number 4. In case of fire, which organization is called and what do they do? I have already shared. When a fire, this is the answer of question number 4 is, when a fire breaks out in a city, the fire brigade corps. The firemen who train professionals work hard to extinguish the fire. They also rescue people who trapped inside a house or a building and give them first aid. Okay, take the screenshot. Have you taken? Now, I'm going to share with you, this is last question of your book. Do you think schools are service organization? What do schools do? Yes, the answer is yes. Schools are service organization. They provide educations to children and play an important role in making them good and useful citizens for the society. Take the screenshot. Okay, now I have completed all the questions. Now we are going to move the answers of the blanks. It is present in your book, page number 16. We have 6 blanks. I'm going to explain the answers of each blank. First, the answer of first blank is service. Take the screenshot of this slide too. This is the service. First answer is service. Second is clean. Fourth is hospital. Third is hospital. Fourth is postman. Fifth is break. Sixth is bank. Have you taken the screenshot? Okay, now this is your book activity on page number 17. This is your book activity on page number 17. I'm going to explain the question of this one exercise. It is activity number C. Look at the following chart, then give each sentence its proper beginning by putting the correct number in the given box. You just put the correct number relevant to the jobs and how it serves the pupil. Okay. Now I'm going to explain this one exercise. Okay. This is shown on the screen. Okay. You just take the screenshot of this slide. Okay. Jobs and how it serves the pupil. One is, the answer of one is a banker. What is the duty of the banker is look after people's money. The answer of this is, I just put the answer in front of the jobs as easier for your convenience. Okay. आपके आसानी के लिए मैंने सामने लिख दिए हैं. ठीक है. A bus driver drives people from one place to another place. A policeman keeps law and order. A hairdresser cuts hairs. An estate agent. What is the duty of the estate agent is helps people to buy or sell their property. We know it very well. What is the duty of the estate agent is to sell and buy their property. Okay. A telecom technicians repair and installs the phone. Repairs and installs the phone. A fireman extinguishes the fire. What is the meaning of extinguishes the fire? आग बुझाने को हम कहते हैं extinguishes the fire. A teacher educate the pupils. Okay. An electrician installs and repairs the electrical appliances. A nurse look after the sick and injured. Okay. This is the answer. Take the screenshot of each slide. Okay. Have you taken? Now I'm going to explain further exercise. That is exercise D. Okay. Exercise D, it is present on book page number 18. This is the question of this exercise is, there are different organizations in your city which provide different service to you. Find out the name of the such organization and write them along a side of the service offered. What is the services? And these are the services organizations. First is electricity. First is electricity. The service provider is, the service organization is Karachi Electricity. Second is water. Girls takes the screenshot of the each slide. Okay, for your convenience. सहूलत की आप एक slide का जो है screenshot लेते जाएं. Water. Karachi Water Supply Board. Okay, what is the organization name? Karachi Water Supply Board. Gas, Swiss Southern Gas Company. Telephone, Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. City Cleanliness, Karachi Municipal Corporation. City Cleanliness, Karachi Municipal Corporation. Okay, now I'm going to share with you the photo album. It is present in your book page number 18. It is present in your book page number 18. You just take the screenshot of this slide. Okay. and it is also present in your book page number 18. Okay. Now, how you will manage this activity in your copies? You just take photo state of this page, okay, and paste it in your copies and make a photo album. Now I'm going to explain. This is the last task of your home task. This is questions answer. These are the question answers, and first is activity based question. It is belongs to the photo album. I have already shown the picture of this one. Picture I have already shown. It is present in your book page number 18. Make your own photo album of government and non-government organization. Okay. Okay. Now the second is challenging question. If you have chance to run an organization, which service organization, which service you will choose and why? Okay. If you have chance to run an organization, अगर आपको मौका मिले कि आप इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को रन करें, तो कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आप कौन सी उसको चूज करेंगे कि आप और क्यों करना चाहेंगे. ओके, these are all slides of your homework. Okay, I'm going to share you again. First is the question slides. These are the question. This is the question number 1. You just take the screenshot again. This is the question number 1. Question number 1. And this is question number 2. This is 3, 4, and 5. Take the screenshot. I'm just taking the quick review. These are the blank slide along with the answer. Okay. This is your exercise C, D, and this is a photo album, and this is question answer. Now, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Time to say Allah Hafiz. Okay. Now, you have any question, any query, you just ask me in the chat box by raising your hands. Okay. Allah Hafiz.